Hello, grade 3. It's Mrs. Oakes, and I am here with your spelling for week 17. Now, this is your second last spelling test. Next week, you'll get the last batch of words for this year. That's exciting. And if we were in school, it would be the last spelling test too. I always stop. My last spelling test is always about 2 weeks before the end of the school year. So I am going to be stopping this spelling. This is your second last spelling test, and so enjoy it. I am going to be going through the words. Remember, I am going a little quicker. You can always stop the video and pause it. You can always pause the video when you need more time. Sorry, I'm just writing my numbers down so I don't forget a word because that's something I do. So I am going to go through your spelling, and you can pause the video whenever you want and write the word, okay? So the spelling test video I actually really like. I'm a big fan of the fact that you guys can take your own time. So I'm going to go through them. You can always pause the video if you need to, okay? All right. Number 1, cousin. Cousin. My cousin is very nice. Number 2, country. Country. We live in the country of Canada. Number 3, should. Should. I should listen to instructions. Number 4, would. Would. Would you like some coffee? Would. Number 5, group. Group. Which group are you working with? Number 6, house. House. I love my house. Number 7, about. About. This video is about spelling. Number 8, found. Found. I found out that I really like books. Or I found my favorite book would have been a better sentence. Number 9, around. Around. Let's go around the room and find our favorite chocolates. Throwback to Easter, I guess. Number 10, ground. Ground. The ground is very soft. Ground. Number 11, town. Town. I live in the town of Oakbank. Town. Number 12, grown. Grown. You've all grown so tall this year. Grown. Number 13, own. Own. I own a car. Sure. I own many pens. I like that sentence better. I own and love many pens. Pens, pens, pens. Own. Number 14, below. Below. My basement is below the ground. So when I look outside, I can barely see the sun. Below. And number 15, follow. Follow. Follow your heart and do great things. Okay. I am going to read your sentence now. Remember, I read it 3 times. First, normal speed. Second, teacher speed. And third, slow like a sloth. So I'm going to read that to you right now. And if you need to replay it, you replay it on the video. My cousin lives in the country, but I live in town. My cousin lives in the country, but I live in town. My cousin lives in the country, but I live in town. Okay, that is the end of our test. Remember, this is your second last test. Next week, you will get words for week 18, your last week of spelling for grade 3. How exciting is that? All right. Thank you for tuning in for the spelling test. Remember, you can send me a picture of your spelling test. I love seeing your hard work and seeing how your spelling is going. Have a beautiful day. I will see you next week for more learning.